Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, now open page number 100 in your maths textbook. Students, in last video we learned about even and odd number and their example. Now pay attention in your textbook. There is an easy way to find even or odd for big numbers. Students, it is very easy to find even and odd number for big numbers. Okay. Now pay attention in your textbook. Even numbers. Numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. Students, कोई भी नंबर के एंड में 0, 2, 4, 6 या 8 आता है तो वो सब कैसे नंबर्स है? इवन नंबर्स. एंड ऑड नंबर्स एंडिंग इन 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 आर ऑड नंबर्स. यानी कोई भी नंबर के एंड में 1, 3, 5, 7 या 9 आता है तो वो नंबर्स कैसे होते हैं? ऑड नंबर्स. सो नाउ लुक एट द गिवन एग्जांपल्स. 110 ends with 0. Students, in this number 0 at the end, so it is an even number. And 185 ends with 5. Students, in इस नंबर में 185 में क्या है? एंड में क्या है? 5 नंबर. ओके, सो इट इज एन ऑड नंबर. नाउ pay attention on next page. Exercise 21. Tripti has drawn a caterpillar. What is this? Caterpillar. Now count the number of legs of the caterpillar and write even or odd. Students, this is a picture of caterpillar and you have to count the number of legs of the caterpillar. Okay, and write even or odd. Now see how many legs here? 2 legs. Okay, so 2 is an even number. 2 is an even number. Then how many legs are here? 1, 2 and 3. 3 legs. So 3 is an even or odd number? No. Yes, 3 is an odd number. So write down here ODD, odd. 3. Then how many legs are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 is an even number. So write down here even. Then again how many legs are here? 2. 1 and 2. 2 is an even number. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many legs are here? 6. So 6 is an even or odd number? Yes, 6 is an even number. So write down here even. And last 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 legs. So 5 is an even or odd number? Yes, odd number. So write down here odd. Students, you have to remember that in numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are even numbers and numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. यानी जो भी नंबर के एंड में 0, 2, 4, 6 या 8 आता है वो कैसे नंबर होते हैं? इवन नंबर्स. और जो भी नंबर होता है उनके एंड में 1, 3, 5, 7 या 9 आता है वो नंबर्स कैसे होते हैं? ऑड नंबर्स. नाउ वी विल डू द एक्सरसाइज 22. राइट इवन और ऑड. A. 108. Students, 108 is an even or odd number? Yes, 108 is an even number. Why? Because 108 ends with 8 number. Okay, so 8 is an even number. So 108 is an even number. So write down in this box even. B. 83. Students, in this number 83 ends with 3 number. Okay, So it is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. So 83 is an odd number. Now 134. Students, 134 ends with 4 number. So 4 is an even number. So 134 is also an even number. Then 60. 60 ends with 0. In this number, 0 at the end. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These all are even numbers. So 60 is also an even number. Then 112. 112 ends with 2 number and 2 is an even number. So 112 is an even number. Then 35. 35 ends with 5 and 5 is an odd number. So 35 is an odd number. So write down here odd. Now exercise 23. Fill in the even numbers. Exercise 23. Fill in the even numbers. A. 110, then 112. After that, which number comes? Which even number comes? Yes, 114 we will write, okay? Because after 112, 113 is an odd number. So, which is the even number? 114 is an even number. After 114, 116 is an even number. Then 118, then 120, after 120, 122 and last 124. Next 144, then which even number comes? Yes, 146, then 148, 150, then 152, 154, 156, 158. Now exercise 24. Fill in the odd numbers. Students, you all know that numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. So we will write odd numbers. 131, then 133, then 135, 137, 139, 141, then 143, 145. Students, in all these numbers, 1 at the end, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are there, okay? So these are all are odd numbers. Now B, 185, then 187, 189, 191, 193, 195, 197, 199. These all are odd numbers. Now we will see the word problems, okay? Now let's see how we use mathematics to solve daily life problems. Example 1. In a park, Simmi counted 132 red flowers, okay? And Arohi counted 128 yellow flowers. Who counted more flowers? Students, you can see here, what is this? This is a park and Simmi counted red flowers, okay? And 132 red flowers and Arohi counted yellow flowers and 128 yellow flowers. So who counted more flowers? Simmi counted 132 flowers and Arohi counted 128 flowers. Since 132 is greater than 128, so Simmi counted more flowers. यानी 132 कैसे है? बड़े है 128 से. सो किससे सबसे ज्यादा काउंट किए? यस, Simi counted more flowers. Now turn your page. Number 2. Honey has 23 marbles. How many more marbles does she need to make 12 pairs? Students, here Honey has how many marbles? 23 marbles. So, how many more marbles does she need to make 12 pairs? Students, here Honey has 23 marbles and she wants to make 12 pairs of marbles. So how many more marbles she need? Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Here 23 marbles are there. And pairs how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pairs of marbles and 1 extra marble. On pairing there, sorry students, 11 pairs. On pairing there are 11 pairs and 1 extra marble. To make 12 pairs, she needs 1 more marble. Okay. अभी उसको 11 पेयर है पर उसको 1 एक्स्ट्रा मार्बल चाहिए उसको 12 पेयर बनाने के लिए. ओके, सो शी नीड्स 1 मोर मार्बल. नाउ exercise 25, solve these word problems. Students, here we will solve the word problems. Okay. A. Ashu and Mishu were counting cars on their way to school. The number of cars they counted was more than 135 but less than 140. The number was an odd number ending with 7. How many cars did they count? Students, Ashu and Mishu वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? जो स्कूल से आते हैं तो वो लोग जितनी भी कार्स आती है रास्ते में वो काउंट कर रहे हैं. The number of cars they counted was more than 135. और वो लोग जो कार्स काउंट कर रहे हैं वो कितनी है? more than 135, यानी more 135 से ज़्यादा है but less than 140, पर 140 से कम है. So number was an odd number. और जो नंबर कैसा है? नंबर कौन सा है? odd number ending with 7. और वो odd number है जिसके एंडिंग में 7 आता है. So how many cars did they count? So which number comes, students? Ending with 7. Yes, 137. इस नंबर में एंडिंग में क्या आता है? 7. और जो more than 135 and less than 140. So क्या आंसर आएगा? 130 cars. Ashu and Mishu counted 137 cars. B. Sam had even number of crayons. Amanpreet had odd number of crayons. Who out of the two can form pairs? Here students, Sam had even number of crayons. यहाँ पे Sam के पास कैसे crayons है? Even number में crayons है. और अमनप्रीत के पास odd number में crayons है. So who out of the two can form pairs? Students, pair किस में बनते हैं? Yes, जब even number होता है तभी हम उसकी pair बना सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 4, 6, 8 इस नंबर की हम pair बना सकते हैं. ओके, सो Sam can form pairs. So which answer will come? Sam can form pairs, यानी Sam उसकी pair बना सकता है. Now C. Sony had 11 toffees. And how many more toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? Students, here Sony had 11 toffees. Sony के पास कितनी टॉफीज है? 11 टॉफीज. हाउ मेनी मोर टॉफीज शी नीड टू मेक 7 पेयर्स. पर उसको 7 पेयर्स बनानी है तो उसको कितनी पेयर और टॉफीज चाहिए? यस, यहाँ पे 11 टॉफीज है, तो उसकी कितनी पेयर है? 1 2 3 4 एंड 5 पेयर्स है और 1 एक्स्ट्रा टॉफी है। ओके, सो उसको 7 पेयर्स बनानी है, तो उसको और कितनी टॉफी चाहिए? 4 टॉफीज। ओके, सो सोनी नीड्स 4 टॉफी टू मेक 7 पेयर्स। सो सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स, सोनी नीड्स 3 टॉफी। ओके, सो उसके पास 11 टॉफीज है, तो उसको अभी 3 ज्यादा टॉफी चाहिए। कितनी? 7 पेयर्स बनाने के लिए। 11 में 3 ऐड करेंगे तो कितनी टॉफीज होगी? 12 13 एंड 14 टॉफीज, और उसकी कितनी पेयर बनेगी? 7 पेयर्स। सो सोनी नीड्स 3 टॉफी। डी, प्राची हैज 165 stamps. Sonam has 178 stamps. Sonali has 139 stamps. Who among the 3 has more stamps? Who out of the 3 can form pairs? Students, here Prachi has how many stamps? Yes, 165 stamps. So we will write here 165 stamps. Then Sonam has 178 stamps. So we will write here Sonam has 178 stamps and Sonali has 139 stamps. So we will write here Sonali has 139 stamps. So who among the 3 has more stamps? So who out of the 3 can form pairs? Now we will write here 100. Student, here greatest symbol is given. Okay, greater than. Okay, so which is the greatest number here? 178. So Sonam has 178 stamps. So we will write here 178. Then 170 is greater than 165 and 165 is greater than 139. So who has more stamps? Yes, Sonam has more stamps because she has 178 stamps. So we will write here Sonam has more stamps and dash can form pairs. और पेयर कौन बना सकता है? यस, जिसके एंडिंग में इवन नंबर हो वो ही पेयर बना सकता है। ओके, सो सोनम हैज 178 स्टैम्प्स एंड 8 is an even number, so Sonam can form pairs. So we will write here Sonam can form pairs. Here we complete our today's exercise. Now our homework is write exercise 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 of page number 101 and 102 in your maths notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.